Welcome to the weekly recap and look ahead. Let's get started with the top-down analysis of Bitcoin. Here on the daily chart, we can see overall delivery here to the sell side on Bitcoin. We can see some pullback here and some consolidation. Come in a little closer. We'll see here that Bitcoin from this past week has been delivering to the sell side and has now started to redeliver here to the buy side. For this coming week here, the swing high is just above this high here. I believe this is Sunday's high, and then this swing low here, which would be, I believe, Thursday's low right here. So this is the current swing high and low that price is trading in, and currently price has put in a bullish fair value gap right here on the daily chart. So I'd be looking for Bitcoin for the coming week to potentially deliver here to the buy side, looking for pullback into this bullish fair value gap, and then potential continuation to the buy side to at the very least sweep the buy side liquidity resting above this swing high, and then potential continuation or potentially trading back down into the lower end of the range here. And then you can see the overall sell side delivery here on Bitcoin over the course of the week here on the hourly, putting in lower highs and lower lows for the majority of the week here, and then getting this market structure shift here to the buy side on the 1 hour chart. And now Bitcoin delivering here overall to the buy side. And you can see here, actually shift down to the 5-minute chart. Here, you can see here on the 5-minute chart, seeing pullback from that overall buy side delivery here, with price putting in overall lower lows and lower highs overall here. Head over to Forex. Here on the daily, here on Forex, we can see buy side delivery coming in here on Euro USD. See some consolidation here, and then a trade into this area of liquidity, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or bearish fair value gap. And we can see within that area this past week we got some bullish activity with the body candle close above this candle here, creating bullish price action. And then you get this sweep of this bullish candle and some sell side delivery in this following candle. Currently price is trading within this range of where there is buy side liquidity resting here, sell side liquidity resting here, with these being the swing high and swing low points. Price currently trading in between this area, and right now I would anticipate with price trading inside of this bullish fair value gap, that price currently right now has a higher probability of continuing to the buy side. And you can see this candle here wick below the previous candle, but has closed inside. So I would anticipate for the week for Euro USD for some continued buy side delivery, at least into this buy side liquidity resting above this swing high here from, I believe it's Tuesday here. And you can see here on the hourly chart, you can see over the course of the week consolidating high in the range and then delivering here to the sell side here and consolidating. And you can see the most current price action here on the 5-minute price, just mostly consolidating here. Over to the pound dollar. Here on the daily chart, you can see buy side delivery and then sell side here, and then some consolidation. I can update this chart here with my swings. So this is going to be my swing low here. And then this is my swing high up here. So I want to get my swing set for my next day, model here on the daily. But you can see here on the daily, on the pound dollar, we get this bullish price action here coming into the week, and then actually getting some bearish price action here. So the bullish price action coming into this past week, or at least here, this would trigger potential selling price action here, or bearish price action, but price went bullish. And then here, this is a trade that I could have caught here. My focus was on Bitcoin last week, but this week I'll be incorporating both Bitcoin and major Forex pairs. So here on Wednesday, this would have triggered a short trade that I could have gotten an entry on here. And then we can see currently price trading within the range of the swing high here and swing low here. And then there's been a sweep of Thursday's low here on Friday. So I would look for continued buy-side delivery here on pound dollar. And you can see here on the hourly chart that price action buy-side, and then getting the shift here to the sell side and some consolidation in the 5-minute chart. You can see here the immediate price action has been delivering here to the buy side, putting in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now price is consolidating here. And then over to the dollar yen. Dollar yen, very aggressive sell side delivery over the course of the week. Currently the swing high is back here, swing low is going to be Thursday right here, and there's quite a bit of, actually I need to update this, quite a bit of sell side imbalance in this price leg. So you can see here there are 3 sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies, or bearish fair value gaps, and price action really delivered to the sell side, leaving a lot of liquidity up above. And then if I zoom in, you can see the Wednesday low was swept here on Thursday, and now we'll see if price action here wants to consolidate or potentially pull back and deliver back into some of these areas of liquidity before potentially continuing to the sell side. But I would anticipate this week on USD yen for pullback to the buy side for potential redelivery to the sell side. And you can see here, if I have been watching on the 1 hour, the dollar yen pair, where you see the Fibonacci retracement area, these would have been my areas for entry here during the London session for both days, and could have likely taken profit in these areas. So I'll be keeping an eye on Forex in addition to Bitcoin this week for additional trade opportunities. I appreciate trading one pair, but that's putting a lot of psychological pressure on one pair to deliver everything that you need. So spreading things out a bit, make things a bit more easier on myself psychologically to accomplish the goal of being profitable and taking care of my expenses for the week. So if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.